let's explore how to create an NFT in Orderinbox. On Orderinbox.com, click on the plus sign. You can drag and drop a file onto the plus sign or click on Choose a File. I'll select my file and click Open. After it's finished uploading, a Create New screen will come up. You can enter a title, a description, choose your percentage of royalties, select a category, and choose your network, either Ethereum or Polygon. You can indicate if an NFT has sensitive content or unlockable content, as well as add any details in additional fields. Once you're finished filling in your NFT's metadata, click Create. A message will pop up asking you to sign the message in your wallet. Note that creating an NFT will cost a transaction fee. If you're on the Ethereum network, double-check the fee and click Confirm. If you're using the Polygon network, change the gas fee to aggressive and click Confirm. Your NFT will be minted as soon as the transaction confirms on the blockchain. Thanks for watching. You can create another NFT anytime you want by hitting that plus sign.